Hey, how you doing today? Thank you for coming to this video. If you are looking at this video, chances are you are just like me. You got your Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. I just got my copy in the mail. It just came in, and I've started reading a couple pages of it. Hadn't really dived deep into the book yet, but I want to thank you for coming to this video. My name is Keith L. Lewis, and I'm here in my home here in Atlanta, Georgia. So if this is your first time ever coming to any video that I ever made, I want to say thank you and welcome. And at any time you can subscribe to my channel. If online marketing, making money online, or any kind of online marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, any of those type things, is that if that interests you or you're very interested in any of those types of deals, then that's what I mainly talk about in this on this channel here. But yeah, I want to basically just say that I just got my copy in the mail of the Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards, which is one of Russell Brunson's business partners, and he does the funnel scripts. I think he was one that came up with funnel scripts inside of the ClickFunnels marketing system there. But this book right here, I've been seeing it. I seen it when he first launched it and first put it out there. So there's a bunch of different. It's a lot of table of contents. You can't see that. Hold on, let me darken that up. Bunch of table of content in there, and how he does it is secret. Let me brighten my bunch of different chapters, and he does it by secret one, and he has all the way up to secret 31, which is basically chapter 31. Has 305 pages, maybe a little more. So it's going to be a good little read. Normally I'm the type of person that I like to read a book cover to cover. I don't really like to skip over stuff. So like I said, I've basically just started reading, and he basically starting out just basically sharing the journey that when he started and to where he is right now with ClickFunnels inside of the forewords and stuff like that. So, but yeah, this is going to be, I can tell this is going to be one of those great books, one of those good ones. Also, I just finished reading. Let me show you this. I just finished reading The Slight Edge. I should have been done it. It's been out for years, whatever, but just finished reading The Slight Edge. And also have Cash Advertising that I'm still kind of reading now. But I have a few books here. This book also is Words That Sell. So I do a lot of reference and a lot of ideas for writing ad copy or doing capture pages and stuff like that, emails. I get a lot of inspiration from that Words That Sell book. So yeah, I just wanted to really shoot a quick video and just to say that I'm going to be doing a review here pretty soon of Copywriting Secrets, but just wanted to put that video out there that I just got my copy in the mail, and I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait to get in it and really dive deep inside of it and really get inside of Jim Edwards' mind, because he's great, and he's a great copywriter, and taught himself by a lot of studying and reading and studying some of the greats that came way before him. So yeah, thank you for coming to this video. If go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like I said, and hit that bell so that you can be notified when I release up and coming more videos. But like I say, I'm going to do a review later on down the line when I finish reading the book, and I'm gonna be writing down things inside of it as well, and I'm gonna go through it, through the review, and kind of give you my intakes, my ins and outs of it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. This is Keith L. Lewis, and have a wonderful day. See you again. Peace.